52 years after the Apostille Treaty was created at the Hague Convention, growth in new signatories continues. On March 9, 2023, Pakistan will become the newest participant. As of this date, the Pakistani embassy will no longer accept documents for the legalization process, but rather engage in the streamlined apostille process, as established by the treaty. As a result, documents originally granted in Pakistan will be accepted by 122 member states belonging to the Apostille Convention. The government of Pakistan will also accept documents issued in the 122 member states. Any document issued in the United States of America destined to be used in Pakistan must have an apostille of the respective Secretary of State of the state where the document was issued. The most requested documents: birth certificates, naturalization certificates, death certificates, divorces, powers of attorney, diplomas, transcripts, corporate documents, FBI background checks, Social Security letters, police reports, name change. All Notary Solutions will provide you with an apostille for Pakistan. Pakistan has been consistently non-compliant with international norms concerning the return of children who are abducted to Pakistan. In prior years, the U.S. State Department reported frequently to Congress that was the case. It is also essential to understand that the Convention contains no provisions that will require recognition and enforcement of foreign custody orders. However, the compliance has been welcomed by the United States with hopes of a brighter future. Please contact us for further instructions and a free quote on our apostille services for Pakistan. From there, your document will be completed and ready for use in Pakistan. No additional steps are required. If duly attested as per the Apostille Convention guidelines by the country of origin, these documents will be accepted in Pakistan without any further authentication requirements. The existing process of attestation and legalization is confusing, time-consuming, cumbersome, and costly for most people, and becoming a formal member of the Apostille Convention will facilitate millions of overseas Pakistanis. Abolishing the requirement of legalization for foreign public documents, HCCH 1961 Apostille Convention, signed on October 5, 1961, facilitates the use of public documents abroad. Processing time at the U.S. Department of State is currently 11 weeks. Pakistan, Indonesia, and Saudi Arabia are new participants to the Hague Treaty. All new document authentications, therefore, will be processed as apostilles starting March 9, 2023. Pakistan will abolish the traditional requirement for legalization, which is often a lengthy and costly legalization process, with the issuance of a single apostille certificate. The convention is crucial to deterring international abduction and securing the return of abducted children, and the U.S. State Department states that preventing and resolving cases of international parental child abduction is one of its highest priorities. Parents seeking access to their children in treaty partner countries may also invoke the convention. The convention addresses where child custody issues should be decided, and it provides a mechanism under civil law in either country for parents seeking the return of children who have been wrongfully removed from or retained outside of the country of their habitual residence in violation of custodial rights. After accepting Pakistan's accession, the U.S. has 80 partners under the convention, and the State Department's Office of Children's Issues is the central authority for the U.S. under the convention. This simplified framework facilitates the international circulation of public documents for individuals, families, and regulatory operators. The HCCH 1961 Apostille Convention has over 120 contracting parties, and has become one of the most widely applied, with several million apostilles issued each year. As always, you can count on All Notary Solutions to manage the transition. Pakistani citizens will no longer be required to legalize documents when applying for certain immigration permissions in Hague member states who have joined the Apostille Convention. Public documents originating from the country that are attested in line with the requirements of this treaty will be accepted in the 122 countries that are its current members, and vice versa. The convention and its contracting parties has become one of the most widely applied multilateral treaties in the area of legal cooperation, with several million apostilles issued each year. How to apostille a document for use in Pakistan. Apostille a document issued by a U.S. state for use in Pakistan is a process that should not be delegated to anyone. We suggest that you entrust this task to experts to avoid wasting your time and money. In all notary solutions, we have years of experience apostilling and notarying international documents, with several awards that certify our serious and responsible work. Please contact us for further instructions and a free quote on our apostille services for Pakistan.